Hello everyone. In this video, we will program the cooling controller CH403B-1-NTC through different parameters. As we can see, with the controller, we have a brass-made NTC sensor on the left side of the product unit. The unit is currently displaying the present ambient temperature value, which is 33 degrees Celsius. To enter into the programming mode, we need to press the up and down keys for approximately 3 seconds. By doing this, we will get P1 on the display, which stands for the controlling action of the controller. The user can get the required action by either going for cooling or heating. To save the control mode, press the Enter key once. Now, to the next parameter, which is P2 denoting high alarm. Press the Enter key to edit, and the up and down keys to increment and decrement the value respectively. Here, we are taking 20 degrees Celsius temperature as high alarm. To save the value, press the Enter key once. Now, proceed to P3 to set the low alarm for the controller. The alarm bell symbol will glow when the present value reaches the high alarm or low alarm set values within the predefined range. The next parameters are SH and SL, which will limit the user to put the setpoint high range and setpoint low range respectively. P4 implies the hysteresis parameter. This is used to prevent frequent on-off switching of the relay around the predefined setpoint. A hysteresis parameter is very useful to increase the compressor's life. The next parameter is P5, or display offset. It is used to calibrate the display readings according to another recorder or indicator. P6 denotes the restart time delay. By setting this parameter, the user can set the time duration after which the relay turns on after a restart. It is used to prevent the compressor from restarting in a short period of time. Parameter P7 describes the defrost time function, which allows the user to change the time on which the relay or compressor turns off during defrosting. Now, the next two levels, P8 and P9, are used to mark the frequency of defrosting in time ranges of hours, minutes, or seconds respectively. As per the setting done in the unit, the output relay will turn off for 5 minutes after every 12 hours continuously. Going further, we have parameter PU, which helps to change the temperature unit from degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Next is LP, which means lock parameter, that enables or disables the editing of the programming parameters. RS denotes display resolution. The user can change either 0.1 or 1 degree as shown in the controller. The next parameter is FN. It is for the alarm indicator. By using this parameter, the user can enable or disable the alarm indication from the display. Now, A1 means sensor break alarm. It provides an alarm on the display when any fault condition occurs because of the sensor. At last, we have F5, which implies factory default settings. After changing the value to 1, press the Enter key, and the display will show Done, and all the parameters will go back to the default setting. To exit the programming mode, press the Home key for 3 seconds.